After NEET SS exam, all the students who are looking for admission in super specialty courses, they want to know the information about the fee structure of different private college, cutoff of different MCH, DM and DNB SS courses. They also want to know the other fees of different private colleges. In this phase, we are also keep updating the student regarding the fee structure cutoff of different super specialty courses. In my earlier video, I gave you the fees informations in top private college in Maharashtra, top private college in Karnataka also, Tamil Nadu also. In this video, I'll give you the informations about three reputed private college in North India, those colleges assess super specialty courses fee structures. These colleges are Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, which is in Dehradun, Ghosh Institute of Medical Science, which is in Dehradun, another is NIMS Jaipur. All these three colleges assess courses fee structures will share with you. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you are looking for admission SS in this year, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all relevant and important information. So let's start with the fees in Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, Dehradun. Student, Himalayan Institute of Medical Science located in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. In this private college, three SS courses are there. One is MCH Neurosurgery, MCH Surgical Oncology and DM Neurology. MCH Neurosurgery fees 12 lakhs per annum, MCH Surgical Oncology fees 17 lakhs per annum, DM Neurology fees 12 lakhs per annum. So there are some other expenses also. Admission fees one time 1 lakh rupees, refundable security money 5 lakhs rupees, hostel fees 2 lakhs 10,000, one time enrollment fees, vaccination charges. This all together it will come for the admission fees. So this is the complete fees in Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, Dehradun. Next is Guru Ramdas Institute of Medical Science. See, Guru Ramdas Institute of Medical Science, MCH, which all specialization is there? MCH Neurosurgery, MCH Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, MCH Urology, DM Cardiology, DM Medical Gastroenterology. These are the branches are there, and all the branch fee is same, that is 25 lakhs per annum. Apart from that, there are some other expenditure which is 8 lakhs 33,000 approximately per annum. So total fees 33 lakhs 33,975 for all the courses. Apart from that, they have some other expenditure, that is admission fee 1 lakh rupees, security refundable security amount 2 lakh, hostel fees 2 lakh 77,000, mess fees 2 lakh 36,000, examination fees. This is the other fees which is mentioned here. This 8 lakh 33,000, what is the fees? They are given the breakup of that. Next is NIMS Jaipur. This is the fee structure of NIMS Jaipur. MCH Urology fees 25 lakhs per annum, DM Gastroenterology 10 lakhs per annum, DM Endocrinology 15 lakhs per annum, DM Medical Oncology 15 lakhs per annum, MCH Surgical Oncology 15 lakhs per annum, MCH Surgical Gastroenterology 15 lakhs per annum, DM Nephrology, that is 5 lakhs per annum, DM Cardiology 5 lakhs per annum, MCH Neurosurgery 3 lakhs per annum, DM Neonatology 8 lakhs per annum, MCH Reproductive Medicine 15 lakhs per annum, DM Critical Care Medicine 3 lakhs per annum, DM Intervention Radiology 5 lakhs per annum, DM Neurology 3 lakhs per annum, MCH CVTS 3 lakhs per annum. This is the fee structures of NIMS, National Institute of Medical Science in Jaipur. So in this phase of the discussions, I shared with you the complete fees of Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, Dehradun, Guru Ramdas Institute of Medical Science and NIMS Jaipur. In my next video, I'll share with you the fee structures of other private colleges. Student, this all informations will be helpful for you in the time of choice filling. If you are looking for the complete counseling and admission guidance for NEET SS, you can contact me in this number 9900486666. We'll guide you the proper choice filling as per your required super specialty courses. What is the possibility of getting the college based on your score? What is the other expenditures, bond, stipend of different colleges? If you have any query regarding that, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, students.